Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Culinary Adventures. Are you ready to dive into a world of flavor and wellness? Today we have something truly special for you. Today we're whipping up a delicious papaya ginger smoothie that's not only incredibly refreshing, but also bursting with health benefits. It's a perfect blend of tropical flavors and nutritious goodness. This tropical delight is like a mini vacation for your taste buds and a powerhouse of goodness for your body. Imagine sipping on this while basking in the sun. Imagine a smoothie so vibrant and flavorful that it brightens your day from the first sip. It's like a burst of sunshine in a glass. That's the magic of papaya and ginger coming together in perfect harmony. These ingredients not only taste great, but also offer numerous health benefits. This smoothie is incredibly easy to make, and I promise you'll be amazed by how good it makes you feel. It's a quick and simple way to boost your energy and mood. This isn't just any smoothie, it's a symphony of flavors and a celebration of healthy living. Every sip is a step towards a healthier you. So, let's gather our ingredients and embark on this delicious journey together. Get ready to blend up some happiness and health in a glass. Before we fire up the blender, let's gather our all-star cast of ingredients. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy for this recipe. These simple, wholesome ingredients are probably already in your kitchen, just waiting to be transformed into a delicious and healthy smoothie. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup ripe papaya cubed, 1 ripe banana, 1 inch ginger peeled, and 1 cup coconut water. See? Told you it was simple. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's move on to the exciting part, blending. Each ingredient in our papaya ginger smoothie is a nutritional powerhouse, working together to boost your health with every sip. This delicious blend is not only refreshing, but also packed with essential nutrients that your body craves. Let's take a closer look at the incredible benefits they offer and see why this smoothie is a must-have in your daily routine. Papaya, this tropical fruit, is a digestive superstar. It's packed with an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins, making digestion a breeze. Including papaya in your diet can significantly improve your digestive health. Papaya is also rich in vitamins A and C, powerful antioxidants that support your immune system. These vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin and vision, and they help protect your cells from damage. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help soothe your stomach and reduce nausea. It's a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat various ailments. It's also a natural immunity booster, perfect for keeping those pesky colds at bay. Regular consumption of ginger can enhance your overall well-being and keep you feeling your best. Banana, this potassium-rich fruit, is not just delicious, but also helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Potassium is essential for heart health and can help prevent muscle cramps. Bananas are also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. Including bananas in your diet can help regulate your digestive system and provide sustained energy. Coconut water. This naturally hydrating beverage is packed with electrolytes, making it a fantastic choice for replenishing your body after a workout or on a hot day. It's a great alternative to sugary sports drinks and helps keep you hydrated and refreshed. Section 4. Blending your way to wellness. Now for the fun part. With our ingredients prepped and our blender ready, let's get down to business. Step 1. Peel and chop the papaya and banana into chunks. This makes it easier for your blender to work its magic. Step 2. Grate the ginger using a fine grater. A little ginger goes a long way, and grating it ensures its flavor is evenly distributed throughout the smoothie. Step 3. Combine the papaya, banana, grated ginger, and coconut water in your blender. Secure the lid tightly. Step 4. Blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. You want a silky texture with no lumps. That's it. Your refreshing and healthy papaya ginger smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. Section 5. Savor the flavor, embrace the benefits. Pour your vibrant smoothie into a tall glass and take a moment to appreciate its tropical aroma and inviting color. Notice the way the light catches the vibrant hues, making it almost too beautiful to drink. The creamy texture and the perfect balance of sweetness from the fruits and a subtle zing from the ginger will make this your new favorite go-to smoothie. Each sip is a delightful dance of flavors on your palate. This smoothie is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a wonderful way to support your digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost your immune system. The papaya is rich in enzymes that aid digestion, while ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body from the inside out. Whether you're starting your day or need a midday pick-me-up, this smoothie has got you covered. So go ahead, take that first sip and let the flavors transport you to a tropical paradise. Imagine the warm sun and gentle breeze as you enjoy this refreshing drink. Feel the goodness of each ingredient revitalize your body and mind. The natural vitamins and minerals work together to give you a boost of energy and well-being. And don't forget to share this recipe with your loved ones so they too can experience the magic of this healthy and delicious smoothie. It's a wonderful way to bond and enjoy a nutritious treat together. I always love hearing from you. Your feedback and stories make this journey even more special. Let me know in the comments below how your papaya ginger smoothie turned out and how it made you feel. Happy blending. Your experiences inspire others to try new things and embrace healthier choices.